Hi everyone, today we are on Module 4 of Level F of VMath. We're still working on fractions. This is Lesson 8, so please turn to page 35 and follow along to take notes. All right, this says subtracting fractions from whole numbers. So let's do some review here in the getting started part. And we can see that we have, in number 1, we have 4 fourths, 7 sevenths, and 8 eighths. Well, 4 divided by 4 is 1. So 1 whole is the same as 4 fourths. But 7 divided by 7 is also 1, and 8 divided by 8 is also 1. So that means that 1 whole equals, whenever the numerator and the denominator are the same, that is going to equal 1 whole. So if this is the same as this, then it will equal 1 whole. So when we have 6 minus 1/4, well, we got to keep that fourth the same. But you know what? We can take 1 whole from the 6th and make it 4 fourths. Because we know that 4 fourths equals 1 whole. And then we would add 5 to that because 5 plus 4 fourths equals 6. We're just writing it in a different way so then we can subtract. Because now what we can do is we can do 4 fourths minus 1/4 equals 3 fourths, and then 5 minus 0 is 5. So we did a whole number take away a fraction. Here we have 2 minus 2 sevenths. Well, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take 1 whole away and make it 7 sevenths. So now we have 1 and 7 sevenths because this is like 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 2 sevenths, 7 sevenths minus 2 sevenths is 5 sevenths, and then 1 minus 0 is 1. So 1 and 5 sevenths. Here we're going to do it again. We're going to keep that 6 eighths, but we're going to take away 1 from the 10 and make it 8 eighths. So there's 1 whole, and then we have 9, because 9 plus 1 is 10. Well, 8 eighths minus 6 eighths is 2 eighths. And then 9 minus 0 is 9. Well, we can simplify. We can divide top and bottom by 2 here. And so 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then 9. So 9 and 1/4. All right, this says Morgan practiced his guitar for 3 hours. He spent 7/8 of an hour practicing chords. How many hours did he spend practicing something other than chords? Well, here are his 3 hours that he practiced. And then he practiced 7/8. So we need to figure out what is the rest of the time that he spent. So we're going to say that 3 equals 2 wholes, plus 8 eighths. Because remember, 8 over 8 equals 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So that's what we're starting with. So then we're going to write it like this. So 3 and 7 eighths minus 7 eighths. We're going to change it to 2 and 8 eighths. So then 8 eighths minus 7 eighths is 1/8, and then the whole number is 2. So he spent 2 and 1/8 hours practicing something other than chords. All right, same thing we're going to do here. We're going to keep going. So we know that we need fifths. So what we're going to do is we're just going to make 5 fifths, because that's 1. And then we're going to take away 1 from 4, and we have 3. So 5 fifths minus 3 fifths equals 2 fifths. 3 minus 0 is 3. Here we're going to keep that 2 ninths, and then we're going to have 9 ninths here. And we're going to take away 1 from 2 because 9 ninths equals 1. 9 ninths minus 2 ninths equals 7 ninths. And then 1 minus 0 is 1. All right, we have 6 here. So then we need to take out 6 sixths. And then that would be 11 and 6 sixths because 11 plus 1 is 12. 6 sixths minus 3 sixths equals 3 sixths. 11 minus 0 is 11. Well, we can divide top and bottom by 3 here. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 11. So 11 1/2 is your final answer. All right, this says subtract a fraction from a whole number. If we're using symbols 7 minus 2/8, we're going to change that 7 to 6 8/8. So you're just going to rename the whole number. Subtract 1 from the whole number, then write 1 as a fraction. That's what we've been doing. Use the same denominator as the fraction being subtracted. You can make that denominator anything. It should be the same as what you're subtracting to make it easier. Then subtract the fractions. So then you did 8/8 minus 2/8 is 6/8, and bring down that whole number. Then write the answer as a mixed number in simplest form. Well, 6/8 can be simplified to 3/4, so 6 3/4 is simplified. All right, now you're going to complete page 37 on your own. Good luck.